Hey guys, this is Aditya, and today I'm going to be real with you guys. I'm talking about harsh reality of becoming and being a data analyst. So you can understanding what it truly means to be a data analyst. And it isn't just about crunching the numbers. It's a roller coaster of stuffs, of constant change, of always battling this imposter syndrome that we have, and then a lot of understanding and ambiguity about our roles and what we actually do and meeting this high end expectation. Let's dive into it and talk about all this harsh reality of being a data analyst. It's not just a click walk. Let's start with first one. So first is the constant change. So in my journey, I have realized the data world is always evolving. And I'm sure while you're studying or you're preparing for this job, you already know how ever evolving it is. It's ever evolving. If not, it's like you can never learn each and everything that doesn't work. It's never going to get finished. New tools will be coming up, new technologies will be coming up. And with that, new expectation will be coming up. Your boss will be like, hey, I just saw this thing. This can do your job. Can you implement it and let us know how it will work? So these kind, I know it has come to me a lot. So telling from my experience. And it will be in like manner that you understood, okay, I can handle Connect now is making actually sense to me. And this, and you are actually understanding visualization tools such as Power BI, Tableau. And then you come to know all a new hype thing is coming and it's actually performing well. And maybe you did some analysis, you made some tool and you came to know, okay, someone has already made it this way much better. You'll have to learn that. So it's always changing. It's not like you will learn something that will be fixed for years. It can change even in 1 hour. So keep that in mind. Since I'm more of a constant learner all the time, I don't mind it that much. But in case you will be like this, it will happen. So keep that in mind. And then comes the imposter syndrome. So yeah, I'm sure guys must have opened LinkedIn, even YouTube and Instagram, and even this, what is that? Yeah, Medium also. You must be saying like, oh, I'm not good enough. Everyone is doing something. Maybe someone is using OpenAI's algorithm to time series analyze and do trading. It's just a hypothetical example, but do trading. And then someone is using some Gemini's loader or something like that. And then they're creating something new for analytics and automating stuff. So you will see plenty of these things and you will be like, oh, I haven't achieved anything. I didn't do anything. You need to be a jack of all trades and learning and understanding these things and these achievements. You'll have to keep on thinking. And most of the time you will be staring at how I am doing right now. And you will be thinking, oh, whether I'm good enough or not. And this will be on a regular basis. Keep that in mind. And then our job roles are really ambiguous because what one data analyst do at one job is completely different from what a data analyst do at the other job. One day you are a data cleaner, such as me, like it happened to me a couple days back. And the next, it's not just data, you do the business matrices, you become a business analyst, you become a machine learning expert. So it happens so drastically. So it's such an ambiguous job. So keep that in mind. So again, as I told you, have to be a jack of all trades and then there is one thing, expectations. So it will come to say the least. So what will happen is like the pressure of deliver, insights that are there. It will be a lot high, not just data to drive the business decision. It will be a lot because on your business decision, specifically it's a startup, then it will be all the time driven by data only. So it's like you will be telling a story that can truly impact the organization. Like if, for example, they created an app, they launched a feature. They actually want to see whether that feature is actually working or not. People are using it or not. So constantly you'll have to search towards it. You'll have to see towards it. You'll have to keep on reporting towards it. So your job role expectation will be always high, will never be low. They'll always, because when people hear this word data, they think higher. That I'm pretty sure you guys also do. That's why most of you want to get into this field if you guys already are not in it. And there's one thing that I'll say before each challenge that you'll face has a stepping stone. Whenever you feel a challenge, you will be much wiser than the challenge you were before. So it's a steep learning curve. I completely agree to it. But once you shape into it, you will grow as a person, as I have grown as a person, as even as a data asset I am today. It's all because of the learning that I did. I wrote on Medium, I became a blogger there, I started YouTube channel, I'm constantly posting on Instagram, on LinkedIn. I became top data science voice there. I'm always trying to learn, and that's what is making me stay in this field. To wrap these things up, to all the aspiring and current data analysts out there and even data scientists. Remember that the journey, that there is no doubt about it. I won't sugarcoat it anyway, but it's incredibly rewarding also. To stay curious while you are at it and stay resilient, you'll have to be that. And most importantly, you have to be true to the journey that you are following. If you are clear about your goals, this hardship won't be an issue. You will actually enjoy it. Just giving my gimmicks and my personal experience on things that I've faced. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe for more such things into the data analyst world. And I'll be sharing my journey. So until next time, keep analyzing.